This is the last of the kills. I don't have any more. And I am just coating this wall here on the dining room side of the arch. Alright, so while you were doing whatever you were doing, I was priming these walls. I also coated the bottom of that with drywall compound, and when that dries I will sand that down and get some primer on it. That's behind the fridge, but if I ever pull the fridge out, I don't want them to see a mess like this wall here. Alright, so the ceiling is done in the kitchen. It is all painted. One coat of marquee ceiling paint. It looks absolutely wonderful. Alright, so now it's the 30th and the 12th day that we've been here, and we're back. It's a nice cool temperature today. Beautiful outside. This is the kind of weather I enjoy. It looks like measles or chicken pox or something, I know. This room had so many dings in it, it wasn't even funny, but Kitana sanded them all down. She's probably like, what the hell, Dad? What did you do in here? She's going to sand them all down. She's going to get this room painted, and we're moving on with the project. This is a whole house remodel. We are doing new floors, new walls, new everything in this house.
Please don't hang up. We've called numerous times to verify your business with Google. Our records show that your business is not verified. Press 1 now so we can verify your business with Google.
Thank you for holding. My name is Rob, here to assist you with your Google business listing. Am I speaking to the owner of the business?
Are you going to help me start a business?
Absolutely can. Were you looking to start a business, sir?
Well, I mean, you guys call me every day and ask me about my business, and you say I'm not ranking on...
Yeah.
But you're
actually...
Look, hear me out.
I don't mean to interrupt you.
Well, don't interrupt me then. Listen to me, because I want to tell you something. Every day you guys call me and you say I don't rank on Google. But every time I do a Google search, from the library, from my house, from the shop, I always come up #1 in the area. And I pay a company to do that for me. So I'm kind of curious
if you think if I could run a business, but I'd be too stupid to understand where I rank in Google. Doesn't make sense to me.
So what I wanted to address, sir, is first and foremost, you came up in my system as do not call. So did we just outbound you, or did you call us back from a previous number? I just want to make sure that.
No, you called me, and it's on do not call because you guys call me 16 times a day.
Absolutely. I just want to see what's going on there, because this is the second time today that I've seen a do not call pop up, and that needs to be addressed. But anyway, so the name of the business that comes up for me is Bob's Home Services, sir. You know, it's not like I called you directly. But let me see. When you search for your business, are you searching under keywords, or are you searching for your business directly by the business name?
Oh, I do it all different kinds of ways. Keyword searches as well as the business name. But that do not call is what I prefer you do, and I don't want to. You interrupted me working here. I had to stop what I was doing. I'm full of sheetrock dust, so I can answer a call that I asked 70 million times not to call me. So you have a good day.
Yeah.
Put me on double do not call, and don't want to have a phone call from you guys again. I appreciate that.
Yeah, I don't want to call you.
Every day, all day, this is what happens. And I am so sick and tired of it. These companies, you tell them not to call you, they put you on do not call, and as you see, they call you anyway. So I think the federal government needs to do something about this. There I am. So what I need to do is I need to cut these down on where those lines are. And the tool I'm going to use for that, instead of using a hacksaw, I'm going to use a tool that you squeeze and it cuts it perfectly. Right there. So you open it up, you put it on the line where you want to cut it, and it's ratcheting, so as it gets, as the jaws close down on the line, they don't loosen. And it cuts it. is now the 21st of December. We're just a few days, 4 days away from Christmas, and we're emptying out the kitchen, or I should say Kitana is emptying out the kitchen, so that we can lay the same flooring in there. Okay, so now the kitchen's all done. Got to put trim and quarter round. I mean, we don't need to put quarter round on here because the trim's going to cover the edge of the flooring, but we want it to look consistent through all the rooms. And some places are going to need quarter round, so we're putting quarter round everywhere. Here's the other side here. Right there, onto the landing. That's what it looks like. Just like that. In the living room. And Tana working hard as usual.
Yeah. Working hard or hardly working?
Yeah, that's the question.
The very next episode of the Bristol Home Remodel will be us putting the backsplash in. The countertop people will have already been there and installed their countertops. So tune in next week and watch this all come together.